For the second time in a matter of days, a federal district court judge has issued a temporary restraining order and extraordinary remedy, finding that the evidence showed Donald Trump is in violation of the laws of this country in his effort to deploy federalized National Guard to a major U.S. city, this time in Chicago. And in fact, as Judge Perry had these statements, these words, not even Alexander Hamilton could have envisioned one state's militia being used against another state's residents because the president wants to punish those with views other than his own. What that statement refers to is the fact that Texas federalized National Guard were going to be picked up and deployed into the city of Chicago because Chicago is a blue state that did not vote for Donald Trump, and he made this expressly clear with his constant crazy public statements on Truth Social. So no written opinion yet. There's a preliminary injunction hearing that will happen in 14 days. The TRO and the preliminary injunction have basically the same legal standards, so they're likely that Chicago will again prevail at that stage, and that will issue a long-term order during the pendency of the entire case until it gets to trial, which could be a year or two or more, on the question of whether this is ultimately legal when the facts are fully developed through discovery. But huge news, great victory, way to go, Chicago.